What? Oh man, there's water all over me.
Okay, you're clear now.
Oh, oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, that was on camera.
Oh, off the ball.
Follow the dog.
Ow.
The dog is exactly what you did.
So we are here on Lost Valley Trail, heading to Eden Falls. There's also a cave, I believe it's called Eden Cave as well. But this is a fairly easy trail, and we're already at the most dramatic part to see here. So we're off the trail right now, exploring. So there's another option of walking on top here. What are you doing, Gracie Bear?
Why is this intriguing to you?
Look, the trolls emerged. So this last little section with the cave is a little strenuous, lots of steps, but it's gonna be worth it. It's not too bad in here. A little bit of claustrophobia. There's some people we're impeding them getting out. It's a pretty short cave, fairly simple. I made it sound a little more difficult. So I brought in a bottle of water, and when I went down, I smushed it and it dumped water all down my side. So there's a few little crawly spaces. So if you're kind of unfamiliar with caves, maybe you want to find somebody to take you in there. But it's real short, but definitely worth it. 2 waterfalls inside the cave, a waterfalls outside the cave, and a natural bridge. This place is pretty awesome, and I think it's less than a mile, right? To get here?
Hold on a second, I'll tell you. It was 1.3. To get all the way into the back and then down.
So all the way in the back of the cave, 1.3. So the first section of the path is fairly easy. Once you get to about the natural bridge, a lot more steps, but awesome, awesome place. Oh, I can't believe I did that, dumped that much water. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how wet I am like that. It was like almost a full bottle.